Good afternoon, everybody. It's Mike with smartoptiontrading.com. It's Wednesday, the 23rd of November. This is your weekly recap. This is my last day of trading for the week. It is Wednesday about 2:49, and I'm done for the week. So first and foremost, I wish you all a happy Thanksgiving to you and your families. We always have a lot to be grateful about. It's been a rough year. Yes, Friday should be big. So let's talk about the market. For 2 weeks, we pushed around this range, and now here we are finally breaking out today. After yesterday, finally pushed up, breaking up. You have a gap that starts at 403.10. You got the 200-day that needs to be tested at 405. And then you have the downtrend sitting up here right around 409. And that, by the way, is near the area of the top of the gap fill. So, the market looks bullish here. We do have a ton of data next week. We have jobs numbers. We have GDP next week. We have CPE next week. So, next week will be messy the second half of the week. But I expect to have a bullish melt up day on very low volume on Friday. Remember, markets close Thursday. Friday is a very low volume day. The markets are only open till 1 o'clock. And then, typically we get follow through on Monday and Tuesday, and testing this downtrend would be big. Testing that downtrend, from the beginning of the year, 3 touches, this will be 4. This will be a big spot. Do we hold it or do we not? People have been extremely bearish on this market. If the data continues to weaken like it is, the Fed will start to pull their foot off the gas on the rate hikes. And that's all the market wants to hear, is that the Fed is not going to send us tumbling into a deep recession at this point. And that's why the market's pushing up on bad numbers. So what we got going on here for names, today it was all about Tesla. Tesla had a huge move. We called it out pre-market. If you were with us, we talked about it. We talked about the options to play. Here's this big move up on Tesla above the 8-day close here. This would be a changing, right? We haven't done this in a while. It would make room up to the 21-day. Now, has anything changed in Tesla? No, but it got a nice upgrade today. Good Cybertruck pre-orders reported. And, it could easily push up to the 21-day here at this point, and that's all the way up at 195. What else was really strong today? Depended upon the time. NVIDIA had a strong move and is holding up nicely. Boeing is trying to break out of this monotonous range, but can't get going yet. Microsoft's here highs of the day, showing some strength. That one's trying to break the range. Apple, I thought would hit 155 this week. It's just not in play, not doing so good. And you take that aside and everything else is kind of, it's kind of okay. Google's hanging in, but not leading. Amazon, same thing. Walmart, nice couple-day run here. Same with Home Depot. A lot of strength here in these retail names, as guess what? Black Friday. This is their time of year to shine. So you take it all aside, the market looks good here. I don't want to spend a lot of time on things today. I'll do charts on Sunday morning. And I'm going to wish you guys all a very, very happy Thanksgiving. I have plenty to be thankful for, including all of you here with me. And I'll catch you guys on Monday morning. Everybody enjoy your holiday.